Hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. My name is Genesis and today I want to show you how I stay a month ahead on my finances. I have baby Anna here on the side, so if you hear her, she's eating a cookie. I have my iPad here. It's just going to be easier for me to show you and explain everything as I go instead of me just talking to the camera. So I'm going to be showing you my iPad on the screen. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe this video if you do like this kind of videos, and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave it somewhere here in the screen so you can follow me over there. So let's get started. Let me show you how I do this. Okay, to start this whole project, you need to save 1 month worth of income, or just the necessities. I put here the mortgage, the bills, the gas, and the groceries. Let's say this is $2,000 for you to start, or just to be okay for that whole month. You need to save this amount before moving forward. So how to save faster, and I put these things, I think these are just easier things to do to save. This is what I did when I had to save to be a month ahead. So what you have to do, or what you can do, is sell things that you don't use or need anymore. So you can definitely use the marketplace, or in Facebook. You can do Let Go, or I know that now it's called OfferUp. You can sell it to your friends and just sell the things. So once you do this, you can even do like a bake sale if you need to. This is just going to help you get to your goal, which is the $2,000. So once you do that, you can also do the stimulus checks. I know that in 2021 and 2020 we got a couple of extra checks in the mail, and these can definitely go towards your goal. If you did not get them, you can definitely do the following things as well. You can stop eating out, and you can eat rice and beans at home, or chicken, whatever you have at home, and do not eat out. That money can go into the $2,000 that you need. Another thing that you can do is the extra check, and this extra check, it's usually twice a year. Let me show you here in my calendar. So as you can see, in March, my husband gets paid bi-weekly on Mondays. So as you can see, there's 5 weeks, which means he's going to be getting 3 paychecks on the 1st, the 15th, and the 29th, when usually he only gets 2. So let's see the month of April. As you can see, he gets paid on Mondays. He's going to get it on the 5th and the 19th. So that means we only get 2 paychecks. And if you do get paid on Fridays, as you can see, in March, you'll only be getting 4, but in April, you'll be getting 5. So it just depends when you get paid and how you get paid, if it's bi-weekly or weekly. So once you figure out when you're going to be getting that extra paycheck, you can just save that amount. Let's say it's $1,000 or $2,000 that you'll be getting per paycheck. Save them directly to the necessities or what you need. The last thing that you can do is use your savings. If you do have savings, you can put them into your $2,000 for your goal, and you can just pay yourself back later on. So these are a couple of things that you can do to save faster. So now let me show you. Let's say you already got the $2,000, which is what you need to be okay for the whole month. You're going to be getting these $2,000 and pay your following month. Let's say you're going to start for the month of March, which is what I put here. So you'll be paying all your bills for the month of March with the $2,000, and you are not going to touch anything else from the paychecks that you're going to be getting on the month of March. Okay, so let's say in the month of March, like I said, I'm going to be getting 3 paychecks, which is the 1st, the 15th, and the 29th. Once you get these 3 paychecks, you are not going to touch these paychecks. So this is $6,000. These paychecks are going to go directly to your savings, or if you have an extra account or like a checkings account, go and send it directly to that other account. That way you do not touch it, and you'll know that you have those $6,000 for the following month. Once April comes and you put them into the month of April, you'll be paying all your bills for the month of April with the $6,000 that you got from the month of March. In April, you'll be getting 2 extra checks, and these 2, you're going to follow it again, and you're going to send it directly to your savings or to your checkings, depending where you want to save it. these $4,000 that we're gonna be getting for the month of April, you're gonna be putting them for the month of May. And it just goes like that. So let's say in the month of May, we're gonna be getting $4,000 again. You'll be putting them again for the month of June. And it's just a pattern that you need to follow. So as long as you save your $2,000, you can do this. This, believe me, has helped me so much to be at peace with myself. It helps me not be worried about if I'm going to have enough for the following month. I know that for sure I have this $4,000 in the checkings account or the savings account to pay the whole month of May. So I hope this made sense. Another thing that I get asked a lot too is, where do I store my income from the whole month? And for this, I send it directly to, like I said, my checkings account or my savings account. Those are my two go-tos. I usually just send it to my checkings account. It's just easier for me to be putting it back to my primary checkings account. So if you do have a secondary checkings account, just send it there. It's just easier. They won't charge you from taking out from your savings or anything like that. And also, it'll just be a different account from the savings. I know that sometimes we have an amount saved in savings and we don't want to touch that. So just putting into another checkings account and just be transferring it every month. The amount that you're going to be getting on the month of May, you need to be on top of the days that they send you the amount, because once you see it on your checkings account, you're going to be thinking that you have extra money or whatever. So you need to make sure once you see it on your primary checkings account, you transfer it directly to your second checkings account. That way, it's easier for you to track and save your amount for the whole month, and you'll be on the safe side. So I hope this helped. It's really, like I said, simple. It's just knowing how to put money aside to start this project. Like I said, it's not hard at all. It's just starting it and being a month ahead. That's the hardest part, like starting it. Saving the money or getting rid of things to start saving money, that's the hardest part for this project. But believe me, once you do it, you'll be so happy that you did it. I did this 5 years ago when I first got married, and I do not look back at it. It's awesome. I love knowing what's gonna happen the following month and not be stressing about what's gonna happen or how we're gonna make it with the weekly paychecks. So I hope this was really helpful for you. If you did like this, make sure you like and subscribe, like I said, and follow me on Instagram. God bless you, and hope you try it out too.